Good morning everyone. I am Alka from BCA PPU second year batch 2. Today I am going to present a topic from Python, which is phone book using dictionary. Thank you Sonam ma'am for giving me this opportunity to present this topic. So in phone book using dictionary, I had used concept like dictionary, loop and if else. So first let's see what is dictionary. A dictionary is a built-in data structure which is used to store data in key value pair. So let's see the syntax of dictionary. So a dictionary is written. First we will write the name of the dictionary. Suppose I write the name of the dictionary student, and then curly braces open, and the value. Suppose I write the value name, and then colon, and then the value. Suppose I write the value Alka, and close the curly braces. Now name is the key and Alka is the value. And to access this dictionary, we will write print dictionary name, and then suppose I want to print Alka, then I will write here name. Now our second concept is loop. Loop is used to iterate anything in the code. There are two types of loop: for loop and while loop. For loop is used when we know the number of repetition, and while loop is used when repetition depends on condition. And the syntax of for loop is, suppose first we will write for I in range, and suppose I write 5. As I know the number of repetition, I will repeat this code 5 times, and then print I. And our second loop was a while loop. So while loop is, as I said, while loop is used when repetition depends on condition. So suppose I is equal to 1, and while I less than is equal to 5, print I, and then in this I will write the increment or decrement condition. Suppose I plus is equal to 1. Now our third concept is if else. If else is used when the code wants to check the condition and then execute the code. So now let's see our code, which is phone book using dictionary. So here, so from this I had created an empty dictionary. As I write in the previous code that for creating a dictionary, we will write the dictionary name and the open curly braces and the close curly braces. If nothing is inside in these curly braces, it means it is empty dictionary. Then after this is while true. The meaning of this, it will infinite loop. That is the loop, it will execute until the user does not want to stop it. Then after here we have some menu which is add contact, search contact, delete contact, and show all contact, and lastly from exit the loop. Then from this choice is equal to input, enter your choice. We prompt and see the user that what he or she want to enter the choice. Suppose if choice is equal to 1, if the user enter choice 1, then we will take input from the user name and her or his name, and from this we will update the dictionary. Name is equal to number, and if the user write the dictionary name or number, then we will print contact added successfully. Then our second choice is 2. Suppose the user enter the choice 2, Then through this, the user want to search whether the number or name exists in the list or not. If the user enter the choice 2, then it finds if name in Python is it present in our phone book or not. If it is found, then it will print the number, and if not found, then it will print contact not found. Our third choice is when the user enter choice 3, then it take input from the user that what it want to delete. Suppose it wants to delete any contact number named Alka, then it will name the name Alka, and then it will search whether this Alka exists in the phone book or not. If found, then it is the syntax of deletion any element from the dictionary. First we will write del and then the name of the dictionary, and then it will print contact deleted. If not found, then it will print contact not found. And our fourth choice is we want to show all the dictionary list. So from choice 4, we write here phonebook.item. Now that dot item is used when we want to print all the element of the list in key value pair. And if the user enter 5, then it will through this break it will execute or terminate from the loop. And if the user does not write any 1 or 1 to 5, then it is other than 1 to 5, then it is invalid choice and it will exit from the loop. So let's see. Yeah, sir. Now first now we will enter the choice. Suppose I want to add any contact, so I will write here 1. Now I will write any name. Suppose I write a name Alka, and then I want to add my number. Suppose I write any number. Then here we can see that it is showing contact added successfully. Now we want to search this name whether it exists in our phone book dictionary or not. So we will enter the choice 2nd, search contact. Now here we will write the name of the search, what we want to search. Suppose I want to search Alka. So I search Alka, and then our number is displayed. And now our third option is delete contact. I want to delete this contact, so I will enter choice 3, and the name we want to delete, suppose Alka, and then we can clearly see that contact deleted. Now we want to show all contact. Has I deleted the contact, then it will print nothing. So I will enter choice 4, and we can see that nothing shows in the list as I deleted the contact. And to exit from this, we will enter choice 5, and we can clearly see that we are executing from the loop and it is printing thank you. That's all from my side.